Hi everyone, it's me Chang. Welcome to UA2 Storehouse. Let me show you how to make a simple corsets for doll. I'll make the corsets out of real leather so I don't have to hem the edge. You can buy a small scrap of leather for quite cheap on Amazon. I cut mine out of an old skirt I bought from the thrift store for only $2. I'll put all 3 patterns in the description. If you use normal fabric, add 3 mm for a seam. You can print and cut out the corset pattern and try it on a doll. And depending on how thick the garment underneath, you can trim off or add a bit to fit the doll better. You can fake the bone structure of the corsets by sewing some line there. Then flip to the back side to pull out the front thread and tie knots to prevent them from unraveling. Then I use the thick thread to sew some decoration stitches on it. Next, sew the Velcro on the back. Since I want to use these corsets for both Monster High and Ever After High doll, I'll make the Velcro bigger than normal so it can fit Ever After High thicker waist. Then use mark where you're gonna put the lace. Braid the same thick thread as the decoration stick and use it as a lace. And tie a bow here. You can put some tin rivet on for decoration. You can use real eyelets for the corsets if you make the corsets for Barbie or other kinds of doll with thicker waist. But for Monster High's tiny waist, it'll be a little thick, so I use rivet instead. You can mix and match. Make some different style for corsets. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!